identity of a product that is registered under Trademark Act. Though registration is not mandatory, I have written lots of mark over here, Coca-Cola, Subway, then Nestle, all these are the brands. But earlier or even now we feel that brands are used for products. But your principal sir, he has marked PNB. PNB केड़ा product बेच रहे हैं?
मैम वो तो बैंक है.
It is a bank. So marks are not the identity of only product. It is the identity of services also. ICICI, it is a bank. Okay. Insurance services. Your college name is a brand. DAV. It is a mark. I don't know whether it's registered or not, but no one can use this. So in trademark, law says that even if you register it or you don't register it, we are ready to protect it if anyone is using it, and that is amount to infringement. So unregistered patent registration mandatory, copyright registration not mandatory, trademark registration not mandatory. Why not mandatory? Because Trademark Act was enacted in the year 1958. Before that, various marks were used in the society, and that took the form of well-known mark all over the world. So दुनिया च किते भी चले जाओ, कोई भी तुहाडे मार्क नू इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकता. If anyone is using your mark for bypassing their own low quality products, that amounts to infringement under trademark laws. Next slide please. एक ही chair. It is a designer chair. ठीक है? So normally we pay few hundreds for chair, but it is sold in lakhs just because of the design which is applied on it. Okay? We go in market. What is the first thing that appeal to our eyes? Design different होना चाहिए. ठीक है? सूट ऐसा दिखाएं जिधर डिजाइन किसी और ने पाया ही ना हो. So you go for new things. Because our nature, human nature is that we go for innovation. We love new things. We want to have new things. So design is something which appeals to your eye. Something which is having the feature of aesthetic beauty. Something which is distinct in nature, and something because of which we generate employment in the industries. So designer clothes are there in the market. Designer shoes are there in the market. Designer jewelry we prefer. Designer bikes, designer cars. ठीक है? और अगर human being भी बहुत अच्छी तरह designed है, we go for that. कि भाई ये है कुछ different चीज, बाकी का है नहीं. ठीक है? So that means there is a specific law, that is Design Act, which is protecting this aesthetic beauty, this thing which is appealable to eye, and here registration is mandatory. एक नॉर्मल चीज है, अगर ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ 'ਚ ਵੇਚਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਘੱਟ ਪੈਸੇ ਪੇ ਕਰੋਗੇ, लेकिन अगर एक डिजाइनर ज्वेलरी है, डिजाइनर क्लोथ्स है, डिजाइनर वॉचेस है, डिजाइनर शूज है, डिजाइनर कार्स है, डिजाइनर बाइक्स है, then you are ready to pay more money. And why more money? Because they have also paid more money for registration, because registration in case of patent and design is compulsory. Next slide please. This is the integrated circuits about which I told you the story of Taiwan. They are exporting the 60% of integrated circuits to the whole world. यानी कि पूरी दुनिया का 60% वही दे रहे हैं, बाकी 40% चाइना दे रहा है. And all over the world, China is attacking Taiwan. US is protecting Taiwan. India has not yet taken any initiative except signing the agreement with Taiwan. But we need to protect Taiwan if we want to save ourselves from inflation. Otherwise, Chinese product इन्ने महंगी और technology इन्नी महंगी बेचेगा कि असी किते और technology खरीद नहीं पाएंगे. We are dependent. But here Taiwan is ready to share its technology with all over the world. सिर्फ एक चीज चाहता है, recognition. If we have political science students here, recognition of a state is must. अगर state recognized नहीं है, वो state नहीं है, वो country नहीं है, no one will having a bilateral relationship with that. But all over the world now, countries are taking initiative to have relationship, trade relationship with this country just because of their intellect. ਇੰਨਾ ਇੰਟੈਲੈਕਟ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਕੰਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਕੰਟਰੀ ਦੀ ਇੱਕੋ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ पूरे वर्ल्ड दी रिक्वायरमेंट को पूरी कर रही है एंड व्हाट इट इज डूइंग इट इज डिजाइनिंग certain integrated circuits ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ ਪੰਖੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ coils ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ those coils are designed in a particular manner that the function of the fan is dependent on that particular coil. So these are known as functional designs also. So to your surprise, we have studied design in copyright also, design in trademark also, design in design act also and design here. ਚਾਰ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੜ੍ਹੇ ਆ. How will you demarcate? ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਪੁੱਛੇ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਲੇਆਊਟ ਐਕਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਰਜਿਸਟਰਡ ਜਾਂ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀਅਲ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਐਕਟ 'ਚ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਜਾਂ ਕਾਪੀਰਾਈਟਡ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਜਾਂ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਮਾਰਕ ਹੋਏਗਾ, you need to demarcate it that if that design is drawn on a paper, that is a subject matter of Copyright Act. If that design become the identity of a product in the market, that is the subject matter of Trademark Act. If that design is applied on an article, सूट दे ऊपर एक design apply कर देता, that is the subject matter of Design Act because that is enhancing the beauty of a product, that is enhancing the marketability of a product. पर अगर वो design नजर नहीं आ रहा, की कर रहा? Function of the product is dependent on that design. तो अटे phone दे विचों SIM निकाल देता जाए, जिंदगी खत्म हो जाएगी. ठीक है ना? So these integrated circuits, these designs are very important. Do you know who is the first robot who is given citizenship? United Arab Emirates. ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ robot, the name is Sophia. She is given citizenship. उन्हें दा प्राइज मिल नहीं जाएगा. सारे आंसर्स ਤੁਸੀਂ नहीं दे सकते. So that is a robot based on integrated circuits. As I told you कि future ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੇ circuits ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ. ਅਸੀਂ parents ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੰਨਦੇ but I obey you. So parents ਨੇ ਇੱਕ chip ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਲਾ ਦੇਣੀ ਹੈ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ yes ਪਾਪਾ yes ਮਮਾ ਇਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਕਰੋ. Okay. So next slide please. These are the legislative initiatives which we have taken. I have just discussed 5 branches of IPR with you, except that there are other branches also. Geographical indication, trade secrets, GI की है briefly मैं दसना चाहूँगी. Geographical indication, what Kashmir is famous for? Kesar. What Punjab is famous for? Fulkari. Where is Alfonso famous? Alfonso is a quality of mango. It is famous in Maharashtra. Oranges are famous. अगर मैं पंजाब से ले आके संतरे बेचा ले कहूँ नागपुरी oranges है, थोड़ा तो डाउट होएगा. So that is international market where people are playing with our flora and fauna. बासमती सुनिया है? की है बासमती? Where it is grown?
यार हर जगह होता है, ज्यादातर उत्तर
हर
प्रदेश.
जगह होता है, उगता कहाँ है?
उत्तर प्रदेश में
East and West Punjab. It is long grain, having a very distinct fragrance.
इसको इंडिया गेट क्यों लगा?
तो यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ने एक ਹੋਰ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ. यूनाइटेड स्टेट ने इंटरनेशनल मार्केट ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਲੌਂਗ ਗ੍ਰੇਨ ਬਾਇਓਟੈਕਨੋਲੋਜੀਕਲੀ ਜਨਰੇਟ ਕਰਕੇ बेचना शुरू किया और क्या दिस इज बासमती राइस.
इन्हें में देखो.
We were not having any law to challenge them because अगर law नहीं है तो ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ. ठीक है? For example, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਟੀਚਰ क्लास च आ रहा है तो ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ 10-10 रुपए ਇੱਥੇ ਰੱਖੋ. Whether that is legal or illegal?
इलीगल.
इनके क्या मतलब?
इलीगल.
Yes. पर अगर कल पार्लियामेंट च लॉ बन जाए और कहे कि टीचर आएगा तो 10-10 रुपए बच्चे रखेंगे, लीगल और इलीगल? लीगल. So without law you cannot do anything. So we were not having any law to protect our basmati, to protect our flora, fauna, our biospheres. So ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਐਕਟ ਬਣਾਇਆ, Geographical Indication Act, and we said that whatever we have famous things like saffron of Kashmir, tea in Assam, basmati in India, Punjab doesn't have any GI registered since. So ऐसे तरह रसगुल्ला
Bengal.
and Odisha also. So these are something which is having the ingredient of that particular land and fragrance of that particular biosphere where it is grown. ਕਿਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਾਸਮਤੀ ਦੇ ਦਾਣੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਉਗਾਓਗੇ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਫ੍ਰੈਗਰੈਂਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਉਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੌਂਗ ਗ੍ਰੇਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗੀ, because it is the flora and fauna which has impact on these agricultural products. So we enacted a law, that is Geographical Indication Act, to protect our biodiversity from being taken by western countries. So ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਇੱਥੋਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਲੈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ, ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਬਾਇਓਟੈਕਨੋਲੋਜੀ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲਸ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, and you will better know how these principles are applied. And then they created a new thing, get it patented, और सानू ही बेचते हैं high rates. ठीक है? So to keep a check on that, what is required? Law is required. So GI is one of the branch. So patent is protected under Patent Act of 1970. अगर तुसी किसी invention ਨੂੰ register कराना है, you can get it registered under Patent Act of 1970. Then copyright is protected under Copyright Act of 1957. Now it is repealed and new act is there, that is 2012. लेकिन almost पुराने rules ही ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ है. Trademark is protected under Trademark Act of 1999. Earlier Trademark Act of 58 was there. Design is protected under Design Act of year 2000. Then plant varieties under 2000 and geographical indication. So these are certain law. लेकिन trade secrets ਨੂੰ protect ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹਲੇ law ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. As I told you, IPR is a developing law. So we are making law in this particular field. Next is, so many of you can have career as IP managers if you have very strong ideas, new ideas, how to protect IP. ठीक है? Industrialists ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈ generally ਉਹ ਪੜ੍ਹੇ ਲਿਖੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ, ਉਹ ਸਿਰਫ ਪੈਸਾ ਇਨਵੈਸਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਇਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, and they can have good products. But each and every product, as I told you ਕਿ ਇਹ ਫੋਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੱਖ ਤੋਂ ਉੱਪਰ IPRs है, in the form of patent, in the form of copyright, in the form of design, in the form of layout design. So many IP is involved in creating one object, but how to manage it from being infringed? For that they need a team of IP holders or team of innovative persons, and you as having new ideas कि किस तरह असी market दे विच अपनी चीज़ां नू protect कर सकते हैं. So there are various industries who are focusing on innovation. Technology बहुत जल्दी ना change हो रही है, पहले 2G सी, फिर 3G आ गया, 4G आ गया, 5G आ गया. These are मतलब महीने बाद ही ਤੁਹਾਡੇ phone ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਵੇਂ features ਹੁੰਦੇ हैं. So that means technology is changing. Patent law is very much essential for all of us. Then companies, they are putting their money into IP. How to protect IP? IP create करना बहुत easy है, IP protect करना बहुत difficult है. Then how to protect marks? So you can, after your graduation, after your this graduation, you can appear, because science or technology the students भी अगर इतने हैं, commerce students है, so you can appear in an exam which is known as the exam of patent agents. So this exam is held every year in New Delhi, where you must have the knowledge of IPR. It's an objective type question paper. So ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ attempt ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, you can enroll yourself as patent agents, and what you do, you assist your industry with which you are attached for registering patent, trademark, copyright, designs, layout designs, and many other things. Next slides, please. Then sector where IP managers are needed. OTT platforms सुने हैं, Netflix, V+, ठीक है? These OTT platform, they are broadcasters, but there is no law to protect these OTT manager or OTT platforms. So Amazon, Netflix, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ बहुत ज़्यादा opportunities है. Students ਦੇ ਲਈ which are having new ideas that how to protect IP. But you cannot protect IP unless until you know IP. Then food sector. So sir was telling me that we have the branch of food and technology. So food sector people, they can also get it protected under IPR laws. Then cloth industry, those who are having the knowledge about designs. So fashion industry, cloth industry, they require it, they require their IP manager. Solar sector, future is this sector. So we all are after solar energy, that how we can convert that energy for our daily uses. So अगर ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੋਈ ਨਵਾਂ ਆਈਡੀਆ ਆ ਜਾਏ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਸੂਰਜ ਦੀ એનર્ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਮੰਮਾ ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰਕੇ ਕੱਪੜੇ ਧੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, then it will be a new idea and you can be granted patent for your new invention. Telecommunication industry, pharmaceutical industries, very important, that various new diseases are occurring up and we don't have medicines for that. But if anyone is creating that medicine, invention is there, patent can be granted. Agrochemical industry, ठीक है, पिछले जो तुसी सुनिया होएगा 2005 ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਪਿਆਜ਼ ਬੜੇ ਮਹਿੰਗੇ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਹੈ ਨਾ, 200 ਰੁਪਏ ਕਿਲੋ ਪਿਆਜ਼ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ. Why it happened? ਕਮੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਈ ਸੀ. 2005 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਅਸੀਂ ਐਗਰੀਮੈਂਟ ਸਾਈਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਲੈਵਲ ਤੇ. that agreement was TRIPS, trade related aspects of intellectual property rights. So when we signed that agreement in the year 1995, so ਅਸੀਂ western countries ਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ that we are not a developed country, we don't have infrastructure for awareing our people on IPR, we don't have infrastructure for protecting IPR, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਥੋੜਾ time ਦਿਓ. सो उन्होंने किया वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज दे आर वेरी गुड इन रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट, वो बढ़िया दवाइयां बढ़िया इन्वेंशंस बना रही है, दे विल गेट पेटेंट इन योर कंट्री. और ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਤੇ पेटेंट ऑफिस ही नहीं है, एप्लीकेशन भेजेंगे तो कौन देखेगा. सो वी नीड टाइम. सो दे गिव अस 10 ਇਅਰਸ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ 10 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਵੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਵਾਟ ਇਜ਼ IPR. 10 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣਾ procedural substantial law बना लो, infrastructure बना लो, and then all those applications which we are giving you today, grant them to patent. So India is at number 3 in agrochemicals and pharmaceuticals. ठीक है, ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ medicines ਬਣਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ presently, ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਅਸੀਂ agrochemicals यानी कि pesticides ਬਣਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, we are at number 3. But why we are at number 3? Because we are very good in jugaads. ठीक है, ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ, Western country, they are very good in research and development, so they made new and new invention. And you know, one of the essential element of grant of patent is disclosure of your formulas. So वो R&D करते रहे, उन्होंने patent journal ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ formulas disclose ਕੀਤੇ. That was on Google. ਸਾਡੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ formulas ਪੜ੍ਹੇ, ਉਹਦੇ process 'ਚ changes ਕੀਤੇ, and we developed medicines. Those Western industries were selling the medicines at the rate of 100 euro. ਅਸੀਂ 5 ਰੁਪਏ ਦੀ ਵੇਚਣੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰ ਲਈ. And we became number 3 exporter of the medicines all over the world. Reason being, we got 10 years from the Western countries कि 10 ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ develop ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏ. We need 10 years. So in 10 years, we became number 3 industry in case of pharmaceuticals and agrochemicals in giving generic medicines. So we started exporting all over the world. When 10 years expired in the year 2005, 2005 10 ਸਾਲ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਗਏ, and now we have to change it. Now we cannot copy them. So what we did, we made our laws, but we went to WIPO and we said that these countries who are rich in R&D, जो बहुत दवाइयाँ बना रही हैं, महंगियाँ बेच रही हैं, they are not able to fulfill the requirement of the whole world. Allow us to make generic medicines. So some countries allowed us to make generic medicines, and in those countries we started exporting it. But some Western countries who are good in research and development, they said that we will share our technology with you, but we will not allow you to make the copy of our medicines by changing the formulas. So this way, agrochemical industry and pharmaceutical industry, which make us very rich economically, they are not at number 3 because of changes in IP laws. Next, what IP managers and technologists need to know, they need to know the business of the industry to whom they are joining, and they need to know that how we can be inimitable. किस तरह ਅਸੀਂ market ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ऐसा product, ऐसा mark, ऐसा design ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਚੋਰੀ ਹੀ ਨਾ ਕਰ ਸਕੇ. If you are ready with the idea that whatever product your industry is making and you have the idea that that is inimitable, it cannot be subject matter of theft. Then how to extend IP protection? You need to know law and you need to tell your country or your industry that what are the laws which can give protection to intellectual property and how to protect IP. You need to know the law that how you can protect IP procedurally and substantially. Next slide please. What is the scope of patent management for the student? As I told you, not only national but international openings are there as career option. You can become IP managers for that qualification, that whatever you are studying right now, commerce student, biotechnology student, food industry student, BBA, MBA students, they have the opportunities as IP managers in all these sectors and industries. You just Google about IP managers and you can have various openings nationally and internationally. Next slide please. Rules for IP managers, what they do, they monitor whatever product your industry has developed. You need to monitor in the market that who is infringing it. अगर ਅਸੀਂ डिस्कलोज ਕੀਤਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਤੇ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਫਾਰਮੂਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਚੋਰੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਬਣਾ ਰਿਹਾ. You need to be an analyst, you need to search, because there is one very important thing to grant of patent: search novelty. Search means that before the grant of patent you need to search that whether this is having the element of novelty. ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਇਨਵੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕਰ ਲਈ ਹੈ. You need to analyze it, you need to update patent, you need to verify कि ਤੁਹਾਡਾ trademark ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਦੇ mark ਨਾਲ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਜੁਲਦਾ, it is having a distinct identity or not. So these are something which you need to update the status to your industry that this step should be taken. So only IP managers are that particular force with the industry who guide the industry, and only those persons can be IP managers who are ready with the new ideas. Next slide please. This is the procedure of grant of patent. So if any client comes to you, as I told you that after your graduation you can appear in an exam for patent agent in New Delhi, and if you are selected you can become a patent agent. Only patent agents are authorized to register patent. What steps you need to take? First you need to take, or you need to consider whether the invention is fulfilling the 5 ingredients, whether this invention is new, having the element of novelty, whether this invention is non-anticipated, whether this invention is non-obvious, whether this invention fulfills section 3, it is patentable invention or non-patentable invention, whether it is good for people, good for public or not. So ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰੋਗੇ? You will take certain steps which can be taken online. There is a website of patent registration. You will log into that particular website. You will fill the application. ਹੁਣ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇਨਵੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤੀ, ਇਨਵੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਔਰ ਪੇਟੈਂਟ ਇਜ਼ ਗ੍ਰਾਂਟਡ ਟੂ ਫਸਟ ਟੂ 5. ਮੈਂ ਔਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਫਾਦਰ ਨੇ ਸੇਮ ਇਨਵੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤੀ ਔਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਡਾਊਟ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਸ ਇਨਵੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਇਮੀਟੇਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਕੁਝ ਐਸੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਬਣਾ ਲੈਣੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਰਜਿਸਟਰ ਕਰਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ. What law provides to me? Law provides me an opportunity to file application today. I have not completed with my invention, but I have the right to file my application today with provisional specification that these are the steps I am going to take, and within 1 year I will be completing my invention. So they will wait for 1 year for me. After the expiry of 12 months I have to submit my complete specification. जिस वेले मैं अपनी complete specification दे देती हूँ, they will start with the search. They will search it internationally that the same formula is imitable, same formula is taken from some other invention or it is a new one. So they will search it universally, they will search it internationally, and then after that they will examine it. Examiners will give the report. After the report it will be published in the patent journal. As I told you, disclosure of information is essential. So ਜਦੋਂ disclose हो गई, now anyone will access to that information and anyone can give objection that this is infringement of my patent. अगर किसी ने objection दिती, those objections will be sorted out. Once it is sorted out, then the patent will be granted. Grant of patent means that I am the owner of that invention, not from the day of grant of patent, but from the day of application. मेरी application देने तो बाद अगर मेरे father ने application file की थी, he will not be granted patent, I will be granted patent. So patent is granted to first to file. So that's why I told you, materialize your idea, accept of sharing your idea. Share your knowledge, but not your original idea unless and until you materialize it in a form, in a materialistic form, and that materialistic form should be utilized for people's good. Next. How's the car? ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਭ ਕੋਲ ਹੋਣੀ ਹੈ ਫਿਊਚਰ 'ਚ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਰੋਡਸ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣੀਆਂ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਈਕਲ ਹੀ ਚਲਾਣੇ ਪੈਣੇ ਆ ਵਾਪਸ, ਸਾਈਕਲ ਵਿਦ ਦੋਜ਼ integrated circuits. So can anyone tell me कि ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿੰਨਾ IPR ਹੈ? Any example?
लोगो हो गया मैम,
Logo is registered under which law?
ट्रेडमार्क,
Trademark law. Very right.
डिजाइन,
Which law? Copyright से क्यों नहीं आया?
Not on a paper. Well, literature नहीं है.
लिटरेचर नहीं है, इट इज नॉट ऑन अ पेपर. यू पीपल आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. मैनू पता किन्ने साल लगे सी ये चीज समझन च. ब्रिलियंट. ओके, एनी अदर आईपी? कॉपीराइट है ਇਹਦੇ ਚ किते? व्हील्स आर आल्सो डिजाइंड. कॉपीराइट लॉ है. कार ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ 뮤직 ਸੁਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ. that music is copyrighted. Okay. integrated circuits है कितने designs है? So this is automatic. Obviously the circuit must be there to operate it. So that is also, that means presently it is protecting 5 IPR. लेकिन लाख तो वध technologies ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਹੈ. हर step अगर technology ਦਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ, that technology is patented. Okay. Next slide please. What is this?
फोन, फोल्डेड फोन,
Okay. That I have written. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ patent है, trademark है, copyright है, design है, layout design है. Tell me where it is.
सॉफ्टवेयर,
Anyone may raise your hand and tell me that where is patent, where is copyright, where is industrial design, where is trademark, or where is layout design? Yes. What's your name, beta? Tanisha. Okay. What do you want to say? Trademark on logo. Very right. So logos are registered under Trademark Act of 1999. Any other?
लेआउट डिजाइन जो फोल्डेबल डिजाइन है
That is is it layout?
डिजाइन
Is it layout design? Sure. Layout designs, beta, these are integrated circuits which are not appealable to buy. This is again technology. This is patentable. Any other? Softwares are not patented. Softwares are copyrighted. So that is copyright. Okay?
Design of camera.
Right.
Design act.
That is under which act?
Design.
Right, Industrial Design Act. And the chip which is used in this phone is layout design. Very right. So music, inbuilt music.
कॉपीराइट,
Very right. Next slide please. So why I need to know IPR? In future you will be software engineer, fashion designers, advertising agency you will be joining, graphic designers you can be, artist ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ हैं TikTok ਤੇ, inventor can be, musician if you have hobby, architect. So can anybody tell me what software engineer, which law software engineer need to know?
Copyright.
Very right, beta. Copyright, because softwares are protected under copyright. Fashion designer.
डिजाइन,
डिजाइन एक्ट बड़ी अच्छी तरह से समझ लिया है. पेटेंट और कॉपीराइट से थोड़ा हो गया देखो. वेरी गुड. एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसीज. Sorry.
Trademark.
Very right. Trademarks, because these are advertising, these are giving identity, so they are protected. They need to know about trademark. Okay, graphic designers,
Copyright.
copyright. मैंने लगा सी उनको ही कहेगा डिजाइनर. Artist, शाबाश. Unbelievable. Inventor,
Patent.
बल्ले. Musician.
Copyright.
सर पहला तो नहीं पढ़ के बिठाए.
नहीं
डब्बा तो मेरे लगता है और चाहिए. Architect.
Copyright.
Copyright. Very good. Next slide, please. Now this is a quiz time. You will have to raise your hand now. Okay? Which of the following must be there for patentable invention? Newness, obvious, patented resemblance. Raise your hand. Anji Bitu. तू डब्बा ले जाना है.
Newness.
Newness is one of the criteria. ਜਦੋਂ भी पेटेंट करवाना है इन्वेंशन नवी है ताही मिलेगा. Next question. Patent for the dash is prohibited. Traditional knowledge, arms, atomic energy, junk food.
Junk
Anyone
food.
may raise.
मैम
Atomic energy. Now I told
पढ़ाई
you
कर लेता है.
that patent serves public good. Anything which is disastrous, dangerous to world cannot be rewarded. ठीक है, मैं एटम बम बनाता दुनिया को खत्म कर देना मैंने तुसी रिवॉर्ड दोगे. So it cannot be granted patent. Next is, which of the following cannot be copyrighted? Raise your hands please. Artistic work, practical use, film work, musical work. Next, can lectures delivered in the classroom be copyrighted?
No.
Sure. मैं अपनी कहानी सुनाई सी तुहानू. मैं नहीं दे रहा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सर ध्यान रखना थोड़े लेक्चर रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर सकते विदाउट योर कंसेंट.
मैम आपका भी हमने YouTube पे डाला तो ये
सर आई हैव कंसेंटेड.
Okay, okay.
ठीक है, द मोमेंट आई कंसेंटेड टू अपीयर ऑन दिस लेक्चर सो तुसी कर मेरे ऑलरेडी है लेक्चर्स
ठीक है.
but without anyone's authority or consent we cannot upload.